Well, red FN2 in today, and Richard has already this morning fitted a 4-to-1 Tegiwa manifold, a Tegiwa catback system, the 70mm, which we do like, and also a CPL big bore induction kit. So thank you to Guy at CPL. And a battery relocation, yes. So thank you to Guy at CPL for providing this nice bit of kit. This is what I've got in my own car. I do like it. So we're going to map it now using the Ecutek software. Richard's flashing a racer onto the stock ECU, so no need for a different ECU. We've done an initial power run, it did okay, and now it's time to start tuning, data logging, etc. So I'm going to shut that back dyno door, stick the fans on, and we'll get cracking. Your sweet now?
Yeah, take two.
Take two.
We did do a take one, but I was eating a sweet and it's all got a bit too much.
Red FN2 Civic in for a map today, but before we mapped it, we modified it. Richard had actually fitted a 4-to-1 Tegiwa manifold, a 70mm Tegiwa catback, which you quite like, didn't you?
Yeah, good system to be fair, all through that.
Then we fitted a CPL big bore induction kit. Thank you, Guy, from CPL. Richard prefers the hybrid racing, don't you?
There's fors and against in every one. I mean, the hybrid racing is a bigger kit, and I think it would flow better. But at the same time, you've got to do some modifications to the inner wing to make it fit. Whereas the CPL kit just goes straight in and it fits. So
I've got the CPL on my car.
Yeah, I think there's fors and against on both sides. The CPL kit as well comes with the battery relocation, and it does fit. Hybrid racing comes with the battery relocation bits for the FD2, so it doesn't fit. So there's fors and against on both.
Yeah.
But I think if you were fitting this at home on your drive, this is the better kit of the two.
The better of the two to fit yourself. Yeah, that's worth noting. Like we said about the inlet manifolds, you know, Skunk 2's better if you're going to fit it yourself. M2, whilst it does a job, it's a bit of a dickhead to fit, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, but the quality's not as good as well. I mean, you can massively see a quality difference in the porting in the inside of the manifold and stuff like that. So this depends on. I mean, ultimately everything depends on someone's budget, don't it? So it's, you know,
absolutely,
what they can afford or what they want to do.
Absolutely.
But
absolutely.
we're reporting what's making power. Is
That's
ultimately
right.
what's
That's right.
doing.
And this one's mapped up today to 220 brake horsepower.
Yeah, we didn't do an initial run on this car because the car got dropped off this morning, and we pretty much had to get on with it because there was a lot to do.
A lot to do.
So we didn't do an initial power run on it. When we'd obviously done the modifications, then did a power run. I think we started at 214.
240 peak.
Yeah, peak 240.
Considerable gains in the mid-range, as we always expect. So we can have a look at the graph if you want to have a look at the graph.
Come on,
Look at the graph.
Go on, let's have a look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph. It's raining. It's got shorts on. Okay, so here we go. As we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. And as you can see, there's a few peak brake horsepower to be made, but the brake horsepower is across the rev range, especially that midsection there. Lots and lots and lots, and that's where it's going to count when you're driving it. Finished today on 190 wheel horsepower, which equates to 220 brake horsepower, which is pretty good going. I'm happy with that. It's a nice car. It's got some big brakes, some big ash yellow speed brakes. Coincidentally, they're available on the website if you want a set. But yeah, nice car. Another one in the bag, as we always say. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. There's my FN2 getting wet. Look, it's just dissolving slowly out. So it does look like snow, but it's not. It's just very misty type rain. And there's mine sat outside, just staring into the dyno cell, dreaming of more brake horsepower. Hey, Rich. Yeah? We'll see him on the decks, won't we, mate? We will indeed.